So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Doorkeeper Glove in Slap Battles. If you don't know what the Doorkeeper Glove is, it's a brand new glove in the game. To unlock it, you first need to earn a special badge. And to get that badge, you must use either the Reload Glove or the Elude Glove. Here's how it works: if you have the Reload Glove, you need to slap a player who is using the Elude Glove. Once you do that, a hidden door will appear. That door is the key to unlocking the badge required for the Doorkeeper Glove. Right now, the Elude Glove is pretty common because many players are trying to get this new reward, so you should be able to find one easily in most servers. When the door opens, just go inside and follow the path through it. Keep moving through the area, and you'll eventually progress toward unlocking the glove. So to summarize, get the Reload Glove, find someone using the Elude Glove, slap them, open the secret door, and go inside to continue the process of unlocking the Doorkeeper Glove. That's basically it for the method. I might make a more detailed guide later once I go through it myself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.